Chief Meteorologist Mike Haddad with your Storm Watch 9 forecast.
Sunshine, some high clouds out there right now. Pleasantly warm, still well into the 80s in many spots except right along the immediate coastline. So that includes right here in the Queen City. Temperature sitting at the 6 o'clock reading at 86. Dew point, though, very low and comfortable at 47. So when the sun goes down, the temps will fall off quite a bit into the refreshing 50s by early in the morning. Sunset, by the way, 8:21 this evening. Impact weather lined up tomorrow afternoon and evening, really centered on the 3 or 4 p.m. through 10 o'clock time frame. So a 6, 7, 8 hour window when we could see damaging wind gusts, large hail, and heavy rain in addition to some frequent lightning in any storm. But no storms out there right now. Great evening to be out and about for a walk, an outdoor dinner. Maybe you're out having a barbecue right now and tuning in. If you are, first, what are you eating and did you cook it well? 78 degrees right now at Pease. Now I'm just thinking of dinner, but we've got to get through this. A severe threat. 68 at Hampton Beach, 78 at Pease, 80 or higher inland, 78 in Whitefield, 55 atop Mount Washington. You recall what happened a week ago atop Mount Washington? At least none of that coming in, but the weekend will be a bit unsettled. Fair skies overnight tonight. Fair enough that if the clouds part, and they may at times, after 9:15 this evening, you have a shot to view the northern lights. It was a failure last night, not many reports, but tonight is the best night for it if the clouds thin out. Tomorrow, they actually gather as the day wears on, so a bit of sun in the morning, could be a passing shower, and even a chance of a shower through about 2 or 3 in the afternoon. But again, that timeline for severe weather opens up 3 or 4 p.m. far west, 9:10 farther to the east, and it's all gone by the midnight hour. But during that time, watch out for that potential for damaging winds in any storm. Sunday, notice the threat is all gone for severe weather, but there's a lingering band of showers first up north during the morning. They'll rotate quickly southward by late morning into the afternoon, and it's all quiet, of course, when you know it by the early part of next week. So here's our severe weather threat on a scale of 1 to 5. It's a 1 north of Concord and over to the coastline. So the severe threat not all that high, but it is a greater threat. We don't get much higher than 2, sometimes a rare 3. So 2 is significant. That means a great chance, Concord to Nashua over to the Monadnock region to the Sunapee area for the damaging wind potential, along with some small hail and frequent lightning. Again, showers from north to south on Sunday, beautiful Monday, warmer Tuesday, toasty on Wednesday, and then more scattered showers and storms at the end of next week.